Namaste everyone, it's me Sanjay Lamatama. After a long time, today I bring for you all Kodoko Roti recipe. It's a traditional Nepali flatbread made from finger millet flour, Kodoko Pito. It's simple, nutritious, and typically enjoyed as a breakfast or a snacks item. Here is a basic recipe to make it at your home. Ingredients: finger millet flour, Kodoko Pito, 2 cups. Warm water about 1 to 1.5 cups as needed. Sugar or jaggery optional for sweet version 1 or 2 tablespoons. Ghee or oil for cooking. Optional addition grated coconut, mashed ripe banana, fennel seed or milk. Instruction: make the dough batter in a bowl. Mix the finger millet flour and salt and sugar jaggery if you are making it sweet. Slowly add warm water while mixing to the make a thick batter or soft dough. The texture can vary depending on your whether you want to pancake style batter or chapati style dough roti. For soft thickened pancake, the batter should be pureable but thick. For chapati style, kends into a soft dough. Optional add-in for flavor you can mix in mashed potato, grated coconut, or fennel seeds. Shape the roti. If using dough, roll it into small balls and flatten them likely regularly roti. If using batter, scoop with the ladle and pour onto the pan like a thick pancake. Cook. Heat a pan or grill it and add the little ghee or oil. Place the roti and cook on medium heat until both sides are cooked and slightly crispy. Usually 3 to 4 minutes per side. Press gently to ensure it's cooked thoroughly. Serving suggestion: serve hot with butter, honey, or pickle. It's also pairs well with curd dahi or warm of cup of tea. Thank you very much, everyone, watching my video. Please stay tuned. I'll be bring next uh, recipe videos for you. Thank you very much, everyone.